Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to have a quick overview of the curve precision feature, and this will be for RouterCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series around RouterCAM's features. So we're going through all the different options we have here, and yeah, we've already covered a few other ones. Now we're going to be looking at the curve precision. So this is a feature you get, or a setting under your toolpaths. So basically what this will do is, if you've got a shape or something with few node points, and then maybe it makes jagged edges or something, with a curve precision it will smoothen those out. So you can set the percentage or the amount of smoothing, and then the great thing about this is it won't affect your actual design, only the actual cutting and that profiles. So to locate it, if you have your design selected, we can go to our toolpath and select something. I'm going to choose here contour milling. If I click that, it will open up our contour milling settings here on the left. Now with all of these, or most of them, just look at the bottom here. We can see curve precision and then the amount. So now obviously this will depend on the outcome you're looking for. You can adjust this higher and lower. Higher obviously makes it more smoother, lower makes it more jagged again. And then when you're finally done, you can simply say okay, and it will put the actual job, you can say job, over here on the right. But yeah, so that is it on curve precision. So just a quick overview. It will smoothen out the lines between two nodes. So the more nodes you have, eventually this won't be necessary, but if you have fewer nodes, then it will try smoothing it out for you. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the feature. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.